Hi guys, this is Crystal Martinez, speech therapist at Monte Vista and our offsites. I hope this video finds you well and healthy and having fun at home distance learning. So today I'm going to do a brief training on some efficient and effective opportunities that you can do in regards to communication throughout the day, and something that's not so invasive or so I know right now there's some stressful times at home, and we're looking for some communication opportunities that are very natural, very easy to come by, and something that we can do multiple times throughout the day to make it as effective and efficient as possible. So today we're going to be talking about this communication aid that's been provided to you through packets from the teacher and myself. So this is what the feelings communication aid looks like. So lots of our students won't initially use their pointing finger to identify their emotions, but regardless of their ability to point independently or to verbalize by themselves, this is a great and handy tool to use. So I'm going to start off by just saying that if Bobby is not a pointer, an independent pointer, or an independent verbal speech student, then we would like to model what this looks like. So bright and early in the morning, as your student wakes up, you can initiate this. So Bobby, hey, good morning. Good morning. How are you feeling? Bobby's not feeling so well this morning. He's upset. He's grouchy. He's showing his face. He's frustrated. He's mad. He wants to sleep some more. He's feeling mad. He did not wake up happy. No, he woke up mad. So Bobby, how do you feel? If he's not going to point it out, you point it out for him. I feel mad. I see that you have a mad face. You have mad eyes. You have a mad mouth. You're hitting. Just go ahead and identify that feeling for them. I feel mad, in hopes that you would get them to then respond to that question. How do you feel, Bobby? And then they would imitate your point out. So it's like you're doing the work, but they're engaging by by watching the icon and pairing it with the verbal that you're providing them. Mad. Oh, mad. Mad. You feel mad. So you're basically giving them the language. You're teaching them the language to then have them use that language later on. Building blocks, basically. Then you can talk about a time that they're playing, they're swinging on the swings, they're feeling happy. So they're swinging, they're bouncing on the trampoline, and you're saying, I see your smile, I see your happy eyes. You look happy, Bobby. How do you feel? You feel happy? I feel happy. Bobby, how do you feel? And if he's not going to give it back to you where he's imitating that point, don't get frustrated. Just go ahead and see if you can get that hand model where you're grabbing their hand, having them use their pointer finger, and hand over hand them to move through that phrase there. So then what you would do is give them the praise for it. Yeah, good job. You feel happy. That's great. Put it away. Bring it out another time whenever during meals. And I think we have hungry. So you're feeling hungry before you present the food. How do you feel, Bobby? Oh, you're holding your stomach. Oh, I really want this food. It's just, I feel so hungry. So encourage that with Bobby. Bobby, do you want this food? Do you feel hungry? Yes, I feel hungry. Always point this out. I feel hungry. Oh, yes. Show the emotion in your face. And that emotion in your face will then translate to the emotion in their face through imitation and learning. We can tell a lot about how somebody's feeling when they're facial grimacing or smiling. So lots of our students still need to learn that, and through imitation of what we're showing is how they're going to learn. So continue to do that and present it. Oh, hungry, really over exaggerate it. Then again, how do you feel, Bobby? Present it. Hopefully he imitates that point too. Maybe he does it independently, or maybe he requires the hand over hand, or maybe he doesn't want to do hand over hand. Don't get frustrated. Just give it to him by you providing that. I feel hungry. So that's that one. And then the next one would be body parts. So we'll go ahead and talk about body parts in the next video. And just to make our videos very short and very friendly for our staff. Okay, and our new staff, our parents. So hopefully you enjoyed that video, and we're going to go ahead and do another video about body parts. And that's just another opportunity for us to learn some basic functional vocabulary that our students will carry from preschool all the way over to adulthood. All right, see you guys soon.